Simply put, the Igigi seem to have been a lower rank of gods. They were a servant class which existed before human beings were created. Occasionally, the term is used synonymously with Anunnaki, but this seems to be inappropriate. Consider the following passage taken from the myth of Atrahasis, an Akkadian creation myth and flood story. When the gods, man-like, bore the labor, carried the load, the gods' load was great, the toil grievous, the trouble excessive. The great Anunnaki, the seven, were making the Igigi undertake the toil. This passage definitely denotes the Igigi as separated from the Anunnaki, and certainly a lower caste of beings. The Igigi were being forced to dig a watercourse. They got tired of it, so they revolted against Enlil, one of the head Anunnaki. They burned their tools and surrounded Enlil's estate. When the Anunnaki realized that the Igigi were not going to give up the strike, they decide it is time for a new solution to their labor problem. And that solution is the creation of human beings.